What is up, everybody? It's your boy Brando here with Brando Reviews, and today we're going to be checking out this Xmart0 camera right here. So this can be purchased on Amazon for $79.99, and there will be a link down below. I've actually reviewed similar cameras to this one before, panoramic ones that spin all around, basically 350-degree rotation with an app on your phone, as well as up and down, just like so. But this one seems to be a little bit better quality than some of those, maybe at least in the construction. We'll see in the video, in the later part of this video. But it's an all metal construction. This is metal, this is metal. This arm is plastic. I think maybe like a plastic coated metal. It's a very good quality heavy unit. It's IP66 water resistant, two-way audio communication. You can speak to people on the other end from anywhere in the world with this. And it has an alarm system, so it can get really loud too. So let's go ahead and put this on the table and see what else it comes with and get a closer look. So once you get your box open, these are the items you receive. You have your user manual right here. This tells you how to set up the app as well as a few other features. This is the actual antenna that's going to be mounted to your camera right here. Has an antenna mount right up here at the top, and you're just going to screw it in. Has a little gasket right there too, if you can see it. And then you can turn it to face down or over so it's not in the way. You get some mounting hardware right here in the box, just to screw it into your wall. Has another bracket right here, and those will be used back here. You see your four mounting or your two mounting holes up here, plus the two that this adds right here. So you can see a little bit on the inside there, the power cord going in, the antenna wire right there. Seems fine, honestly. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at the camera, then we'll move to the rest of the accessories. So you see it has 6 lights right here, 3 on either side. Here's a lens right here in the middle, 4x optical zoom. This looks to be a motion sensor right there at the bottom for detecting motion, if you choose to use that feature. On the back here, you have 2 little screws. If you remove those screws, or sorry, 4 little screws. If you remove those screws, you can put in a SD card up to 128 gigabytes, or you can use cloud service if you want to pay for it. And there's not really much else to show on the back here. Not even sure where there's a speaker ports right there as well. And you have your plugs right here on the end. This is your reset button, just in case you need it. Has a little cap right there. This is your Ethernet for internet if you don't want to use wireless. And this is your power in right here. So it comes with this baggie here. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but I think this actually goes around your power cord right there to keep it sealed. Just like so. Like put it in there or something. I'm not exactly sure, but that seems like the most makes the most sense. So here's the power adapter right here. It says AC adapter, nothing too special, 0.5 amps, not very high powered, and you can see it right there. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to take a quick look at the app, and then we're going to take a look at the video quality to see how good it is. All right, guys, so what you're going to want to do now is fairly simple. You're going to want to plug in your camera to the wall with the included power cable. Once you do that, you're going to download the app called Xmart0, the same exact name as the brand of this product, on the Apple and or Android app store. Whatever app store you choose, it is on there. Then you're going to press the plus symbol, either of the two on the screen, and we're going to select the camera type, which in this case is PTZ dome type. Now it says, does this camera have an Ethernet port? Yes, it does, but we want to connect it via Wi-Fi, so we're going to say no. And it asks if the LED indicator light is blinking. Once you plug in the camera, it will say after a few seconds that this device is ready to pair. So I'm going to go ahead and say yes, that's about the equivalent. And then you're going to go to your Wi-Fi settings and type in the password, and it's going to be IPC. So here we are over here. I'm going to click it, and then I'm going to go and type in the password once it asks me. Oh, I already connected, so I don't need to type in the password, but it's just the number 1 8 times. So we're going to go back to here, and we're going to connect to my actual Wi-Fi connection. You can see it sort of searches them down there at the bottom for you. Once you do that, it just lets you wait right here, and we're just going to wait for it to connect, and once it's ready, don't know if you guys heard her in the background there, but she said wireless settings, please wait, and it's on 5% right now. So it just went to 100% now, and it says Wi-Fi connection successful on the camera. You can name your device down here below. I'm not going to name it really. I'm just going to press done, and then we can actually see what the camera and the app looks like. Uh-oh, network error. Let's try it again. There we go. So not really sure what that was about, but we got it taken care of. So we're going to actually press into the settings here. You can take a look out the front there, and you see all these things we can change. SD to HD, change the quality, playback, aspect ratio, Let's see what else. Light control, IR floodlight auto. So it has floodlights and infrared lights, very cool. You can see it has the PTZ. This is for actually moving the device. It has the optical zoom here, manual focus, and electronic zoom. I don't believe we have optical zoom, but that's there. Presets, speed grade. So this is how quick it can track things, I believe, or move. And let's actually move this camera up some and look over to the side. So we're actually going to go full screen now and screen cap the video on the phone. Now, if you do decide to use an SD card, the quality is going to be a lot higher, I'd imagine. Low battery right there. So let's go ahead and do that.
That is not your rug. No. Ow. No. 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 No.
Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that quick video on the Xmart0 camera right here. It does seem to be very good quality, extremely good quality video, especially when viewing on the app. The night vision works pretty well with the IR sensors on it, and it does seem to be made of very good quality materials considering the weight of this thing and the metal build quality. You can pick this up on Amazon. There will be a link down below if you want to purchase one of these bad boys. And if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to subscribe down below, leave a like. If you got any questions, leave a comment. I'll answer you down below. So thanks for watching, guys, and have a good one.